In this session, we're going to learn about how you're going to create a styling components and reusable component, how we can make a reuse after creating the styling components and how we can make a reuse. In the previous section, we learned about how you make installation for reactjs and the configuration. So in this section, we are going to learn about how you make reusable components with the functions, but not with the classes. So first, I'm going to create uh, the name list, and I'm going to reuse them. How I'm going to show how we are going to reuse in components. H1 list of names. I'm creating a H3 tag. So it's lowercase. Ram John Smith. And we are going to create a styling components, uh, styling for this components. Okay, first I'm going to create some name, so color, so anything green, border bx, solid blue, padding top, fine pixel, padding bottom, fine pixel, weight 300 pixel. So we're going to create another title, color, I think it's the border, right? Color, border, can make something this. We are going to create a title here. Color yellow. Color some color. Border style dotted. So created a style, and we're going to use these styles now. First name, sorry, yeah. So all the styling has been applied here. So now we are going to use all of them are same. So we can use and we create a component which reusable component and add them. Because we are why we are making a reusable component, we can reuse the component whenever is required. Here it is like directly we're adding the component rather as a best practice, rather than adding it the direct component here, you can add as a reusable component and update. I've created a reusable component and a custom name tag here. So I'm going to paste it, these three things into the reusable component file. Source folder, reusable component, created folder, and custom name tag. This is my reusable component. So for that, first need to do, even though whatever component you're creating, so you need to import first React one, React library, and the function custom name tag, and this custom name tag, custom. So it contains three parts. One is the import part and the function, whatever we are going to write, or as part of the reusable component, and the export part. So I'm going to remove this and copy paste here. First I'll try for with one by one. and you need to return it. So in order to use this component, you need to import this component into your main application. Import give some custom name tag from, yeah. So it's automatically imported reusable components and custom name tag. So we can use this tag. You can add this capital letter at the beginning. So you'll have some differentiation between HTML tags and or our tags, because HTML tags always been a lowercase, and so it's like it gives us some differentiation, like how you which tags you're using going to use. You want this. So we can create a custom tag here like this. So we have three names. So three times. So this is our first reusable components. We just created it now. So we're going to write down like how you're going to actually how it works now. We can use the other way of declaring the function as like default uh, export default function. It's not required here. So this is another way of declaring it, and we can use also without the name of the function. It's like arrow function. This should also work. Yeah. So here it displays all the names because I have hard coded here. So we're going to change it now. How we are going to display or unique different names. So as we hard coded here, the same name is displayed here. So the actually whatever the data, whatever the name we pass here, it should get displayed here. So for that, so we're going to pass the name here. Rom Sean. So what are the names we pass here? Okay, it should return here. So as we hard coded, so the name will be displayed here. So for that, we need to use props, and with this props, we can retrieve all the names dynamically here. Here I can use this props dot names. Yeah. Oh, yes, just need to add this. Okay, save. Okay. So after we add this is so we're able to display the names here by using the props. So the next session we are going to learn about the actual hooks. So how we're going to use the hooks now. Okay, I hope you like this video. So if you really like this video, please like, share, and comment. And if you are a first time coming to see this session, please subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching.